If you want to find all reviews with negative words towards your products, or reviews containing foul language in general, you will have to check all your product reviews individually, as you can't find comments or reviews containing a specific word on WordPress. To help you with this task, in this video, we'll show you how to search for all WooCommerce product reviews by keyword using WP Sheet Editor Comments and Reviews plugin, with which you can find all comments by comment type, post type, keyword, date, status, etc. You can also apply bulk changes to hundreds of comments and reviews, and export or import reviews to make bulk migrations of content along with their comments and reviews. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. To filter the reviews, we'll use the search tool, with which you can use any field as a search parameter, or use combined search filters to narrow down the search results. Once you open the search tool, select product as the post type. And select reviews here. Then, enable the advanced filters. Select the field content. We'll use the operator contains. And enter the keyword you want to find. Finally, let's run the search to filter all product reviews containing the keyword we entered. Now you can use all search results to create an external database using a CSV file. To do this, we'll use the export tool. Here you can select the columns you want to export. In this case, I'll export all active ones. We'll export all the rows from the current search. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the file. And export the CSV file. This is an example of how your CSV file will look like. As you see, searching for all the product reviews containing a specific keyword in the content is really simple with the WP Sheet Editor Comments and Reviews plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.